Hello, sweethearts. My name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. I am giving you today beachy apartments, coastal vibes, and beautifully built. Today I am in a beautiful residential area. The urbanisation is called Don Peppa, and it features newly built apartments that offer 2 and 3 bedrooms. I am located in Ciudad Quesada, which is a gorgeous town located in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today these apartments will be featuring have 90 square meters, and the ground floor apartments have their own gardens, whilst the upper floor apartments have their own solarium. So let's begin the tour. Taking you into the entry area of where you will be able to access the communal outdoor living spaces for all the residents to enjoy. They have beautifully landscaped these areas to be green, to be filled with vegetation, and to have lovely areas to relax. I'm just coming around this curve where you have a lovely seating bank, and I'm now going to take you to where you have more outdoor communal zones to enjoy. So what you find is all of the apartments actually overlook the communal green spaces, and you have a very large space here that has got lawned areas, perfect for sun lounging, taking in that peace. But you also have a communal children's swimming pool that is wide and spacious and also shallow. It then also goes into a large communal swimming pool for all the residents to be able to enjoy. And this actual particular block does have its own swimming pools here, but actually the urbanisation has more than one communal swimming pool for the residents to enjoy. All the while though, you do get plenty of space and expanse to enjoy getting cool. You have outdoor showers as well for the comfort of the swimmers, and access points as well, so you can come directly from your home or from your garden and take advantage of this relaxing spot. Coming up the stairs, I'm going to show you the upper floor 2-bedroom apartment. So you will be coming into the entrance, and it is a very light and bright welcoming entry hall that leads to an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. This space is light and bright with really relaxing tones with the interior design. The space altogether is 53 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.7 metres. Whilst you are actually in the living room area, this space is beautifully illuminated with patio doors that overlook it, giving you a private terrace and also illuminating the space with natural light. But what I love about the actual interior design is they do have beautiful accents of LED lighting, both in the ceiling and also hidden in the walls, giving you that toque of colour, but also of soft, lovely light. So coming from the living space, it leads really nicely to the dining space. This dining table is currently set to dine 4. And again, it's overlooking large windows, as you will find that throughout the property, illuminating the space with sunshine. It then leads to your open kitchen. What you'll find with the open kitchen is that it is modern and it is also rather inviting with an open plan feel. On this back counter, you have your cooking hob along with your extractor. You have lots of cabinetry for storage that is also quite deep. And you also even have in the corner your microwave and your oven. You also have your cabinetry above. Over the way, you have the refrigerator in the corner here. You also have an island that gives you your kitchen sink and also gives you your dishwasher. You will find that the electrical appliances for your kitchen are Siemens and Bosch that the developer does offer, but they are not currently included with the price, and that would be an extra cost. And so what's really nice about the kitchen space as well is that you have a door that gives you access directly, if you want it, to the solarium, which I will show you shortly. But now taking you from the kitchen, I'm now going to take you back into the hall. I'm passing the front door. And on this wall, you will find that you have your specifications like your video intercom system and also your hot and cold air conditioning system, which you have pre-installation for. Now I'm taking you into the first bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright with a similar interior feel. You have on one side large windows letting in light and also giving you views of the surrounding landscape. But then you also have your fitted wardrobes, which are mirrored at the front and also provide LED lighting on the inside, which are also included. Taking you out of the first bedroom, which is 12 square meters, directly opposite you find is the main bathroom. This again has a nice light and bright feel and is fully equipped. At the end of the hall, I'm now going to take you to the primary suite. As you come through the door, it takes you into the expanse of the bedroom area, which altogether is 14 square meters. You have a large window on one side letting in lots of sunshine, but then you also have on the other your fitted wardrobes. Coming back though, what I do like about the primary suite is they've managed to actually separate it a little bit from the primary bathroom suite. And so what you'll find is as you enter, you have a lovely spacious ensuite. And what's really nice as well is the developer have put in some of their personal bespoke furniture pieces that give you an idea as to how you can also adapt the space to your liking. But the bathrooms are fully equipped. As I come out of the living room area, I'm immediately met with a wonderful inviting terrace that gives you spellbinding views of your gardens and your swimming pool below. You not only get to soak up a lovely, lovely climate that we're experiencing right now, but you really get a good view of the spaces that you can enjoy when you have the free time. And so what's really nice is this also gives you a great opportunity to access another area of your living space, which is your upper floor solarium. So I'm going to take you up the stairs now. And so we go up the steps. And this provides the family with an additional extra 75 square meters to enjoy the outdoor Mediterranean climate, whilst enjoying the panoramic views of where we are located. In this spot right here, I can imagine it perfect for eating al fresco and dining in the sun. It's wonderful in the sense that you already have a pergola system that has already been installed with the structure, so it gives you that balance of shade and also sunshine. But with this space, I can also imagine other infinite possibilities. Imagine a real sun lounging nook over this way. Then we're going over to this side. And I can imagine out here would be a great barbecue outdoor summer kitchen. If you like to cook, out here it's perfect. What's really nice as well is that you get to also enjoy some of the community feel that you may have with your neighbour. If that isn't necessarily your suit though, the developer can actually put enclosures up here that are glass, frosted and give you that extra toque of privacy. But all the while, I'm also imagining that you would also have this space here, which would be perfect for a jacuzzi. Imagine enjoying those bubbles under the stars. And then for convenience and functionality, you also have a little storage technical closet. Nestled in amongst all of the beauty and the splendour of the natural landscapes, you do have lots of local facilities and services within Ciudad Quesada, but also great areas if you're wanting to take a little slow pace and a bit of peace. Here we are in Laguna Cafe, which is also part of a hotel, has a spa and also its own golf club. This is one of many places where you can enjoy a coffee or even unwind in the spa and also even enjoy a little spot of golf if you're a sports enthusiast. And so that's what's wonderful about Ciudad Quesada is it has so much to offer, all within walking distance. The nitty gritty. The property tax or EB is €450 per year. The community fee is €140 per month and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this is a newly built, very modern two-bedroom apartment. Within the actual urbanisation, they do also feature three-bedroom apartments of a similar design, modern on the inside with a classic Mediterranean touch on the outside. What I like about these apartments are they built to high level of specifications. There are some things included like your electric shutters, LED lighting, alarm and intercom, but there are a couple of extras that you need to be aware of too. So your electrical appliances for your kitchen and white goods is not included. That being said though, I do think it gives you a splendid amount of space, light and also tranquility whilst we're here in Don Peppa. Lot to mention. What I have to also say is the area. Ciudad Quesada is fantastic if you love the great outdoors. Whether you're a sport enthusiast with the love of golf, hiking, or even cycling, or let's say, for example, you like to look at natural reserves and lakes and lagoons, you've got it all within easy reach. Just 38 kilometres away from Alicante Airport. If you like to travel and you like to use the airport, it's not too far away. And you also have great proximity to neighbouring towns and cities to explore and do more recreational fun things in your spare time. So if you like this listing and you'd like to know more, check out the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was great to see you again, and I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.